Hi everyone, Farnel here with Marcus. Today I just want to talk to you about a couple of clients I've treated with both golfers, and they've found that one of the limitations they've had is their ability to rotate and to swing, basically, okay? So, and in both cases I've been able to work on their backs and just release the muscles and get them to rotate again afterwards and see the increase in their rotation, and I felt really happy with that. So had some really good results. So I wanted to just show that on Marcus. So the first thing I do is, Marcus, if you just cross your arms please, and just rotate to your right. Okay, all right. So where are you feeling the limitation there?
Yeah. Bit of compression there, but in the left.
More that side,
a little bit
okay.
More there, yeah.
All right, now the other way for me. How do you feel there?
Same sort of spot, the left, but
there.
The right feels okay.
Okay, so come to the center. I don't want you to relax. I don't want you to do anything. I'll just rotate you. Yep. I just want to see how far we can go. You relax. It's hard to do, I know. I know it's hard. Now keep going, keep going. Yeah, much better, much better. That's what I want, okay? Let's do the other side. You relax. Relax, yeah, that's right. Just breathe, just relax. Yeah, that's what we want, all right? So I'll be working on Marcus's back just to release some of the tensions. It'll be basically his mid traps, his lower traps, his rhomboids, and also the erector spinae muscles, which start from the bottom of your, just above your ilium, and they go all the way up to your bottom of your occipital, a couple of them anyway. So I'll be trying to release all of that. Okay, Marcus, so lie face down. Brilliant. Okay. Yeah. Headrest comfortable for you?
Yeah, good mate.
Great. Okay.
Such a good host.
Where have we got the? Sorry, the.
Wax.
Don't worry. That's okay. Oh, where is this? Right here. It's right there. Here we go.
That was good prep.
Need that? Yes. Yep. Need that. Okay. All right. So I'll just. Okay.
Oh.
So the first thing I do is just sink into the muscle and just relax, and just let his body know that it's not a threat to him. So his central nervous system will tell his brain to relax the muscle. As he relaxes, I'll just slowly just glide.
Oh, that's it, man, in that area. You're very strong, man, Farnsey.
Yeah.
It's lift club.
You're not strong, you're not effective.
That's it.
That's it, Marcus.
That's good, man.
You'll be pulverised by the time I finish with you.
Yeah, steamrolled. I'll be flat, man. Flat man, you call me.
Flat man.
Yeah. No. What?
Here we go.
Got any jokes for us this week, Farnsey? Or
Go for what?
jokes or
Joke week.
Jokes or insightful information?
Yes.
Oh, jeez.
So I.
Fuck! I shouldn't have asked you a question, shouldn't I?
I'm trying to stop you from talking.
He takes his revenge. I know. That's Farnsey's tactic. Oh, in there, man. That's it.
Okay, I'll just do one more pass over.
Oh, thank you.
Sorry.
Passover, isn't that
good
something?
blood flow there, mate.
Yeah, you see a bit red, isn't
that.
it? Passover, isn't that some religious sort of thing?
It is, but I'm actually...
Is it a different religion to you?
We can discuss it another day.
All right. Is that where they invented Passover? They were doing some bodywork?
Bodyworks?
Yeah, the original Passover.
I'm not following that.
No.
Okay, there.
Yeah. Farnsey.
There we go.
What are you feeling, Doc?
Feeling tightness in your mid-back. That's what I'm feeling.
Tightness.
Yeah, very much so.
There used to be, well, when I was growing up, you used to have all the doctor jokes. Different generation these days, isn't it?
Different generation, I tell you.
What do they do these days? Google. What's wrong with me?
And they sit behind a screen and just...
Yeah. Is that what the doctors do as well? They just look up on Google.
Yeah, I know.
Or their own Google.
So I'm just trying to slowly just release the rhomboids here. There we go, Marcus.
Feels good, mate.
Good.
You're a master craftsman.
Mate, I want to be the known body worker.
The Bodyworker.
Yeah, I want people to know that they can come and get a good, solid treatment and be effective.
Yeah, that's it.
That's what we want.
That's your goal.
Yeah. That's good.
Farnsy, the Bodyworker.
We're all body workers, mate.
Yeah. We're all heart workers too.
Yes, we are. And it's actually, I mean, the word work means that you actually, I guess there's a lot of effort in what you're doing, but this is not work. This is enjoyable.
Yeah.
It's absolutely lovely.
You got energy for it, haven't you, Farnsy?
Oh, I love it. Absolutely love it.
The exertion.
Yeah.
The energy always comes when you love something, doesn't it?
Definitely. I like your floorboards, Marcus. My feet aren't slipping.
It's good. It's good, man. Oh, dear, oh, dear.
Sad Marcus. I'll make you cry like a
People
baby.
don't know who the hell Marcus is, I reckon.
Oh, ninja.
You've gone formal today. When we don't have to sing, you went formal.
Exactly.
Yeah.
All right, Marcus.
Yeah.
Oh, ninja. Let's get you up, please. And I want you to sit down. Sit. Yeah. Sit on this other
way?
side, please, sir.
This one?
Yeah. Makes it easier for Leah. Right. Have your arms crossed. Can you rotate to your right? Oh, very good.
My left is...
Very good.
That
How
feels
does that
better.
feel? Very, very
I
good.
think I'm cured, Doc.
That's very, very good.
Still feeling
Just
the
up
right
there.
a little bit, but
Okay.
yeah,
All right. So just
the left is,
that feels
doesn't
better.
have the compression.
Look at all that
or-
redness there. That blood flow. He really needed it here. It was really tight there. It's magnificent. Okay. So what I want to do here is, Marcus, I'm going to apply pressure and slowly glide down, but I want you to lean forward, okay? Yep. Slowly though. Do that. Yeah, go. Beautiful. That's it. Go as low as you can, right up to your knees. Come, flex. Brilliant. Keep going. That's it. I want to do it once more, come back, and then we'll retest, okay?
Yeah.
You okay, Marcus?
Yeah,
with
I'm
the pressure?
good, bro.
Ninja?
How's your fist? Is this
My
your fist
fist?
or your elbow?
Yeah,
Fist.
that's good, mate. Feels good. Slowly, Marcus. Yeah, ninja. How many times have I said that? All right. Okay. Now come out of it and just do that rotation on your own again. Now, what are you feeling there?
Yeah, that's good.
Better?
Maybe just a
Much
little
better?
bit.
Whereabouts? Whereabouts?
Just here.
Just in there?
Yeah, just that attachment.
Okay.
Just a little bit wider, so everywhere you went feels like a released off. So yeah, you can tailor treatments, can't we, man?
You certainly can.
Exactly where people need the flow.
Definitely. So the aim is to increase the range of motion, have freedom to move without any limitation. Marcus, just quickly, can you lie down for me, please? Just quickly. Okay. Put your hand behind your back. Okay, beautiful. Okay.
That's it.
Just once more, mate.
Yeah.
Sorry.
You're manhandling me. It's good though. For the greater good, eh?
Okay. Get you up. And sit down again. Right. Okay, rotate. How does that feel?
That's good.
What does that feel?
Yeah.
Better?
Can't even feel the
Okay.
spot anymore.
All right. Okay, guys. Now, you don't have to be a golfer or be a tennis player or anything like that. You can be just an ordinary person who's living everyday life and being really tight in your thoracic region. You can't rotate and you feel really kind of stuck. If you feel like that, make a booking at MMT, come and see us and come and see me, and I'll be able to work on your back, and I can guarantee that by the time you leave, you'll be able to rotate a lot more, feel freer than when you first walked into the clinic room. Okay guys, see you later.
Get it done. Book in with Farns.